So, ayan na. Let us resume. So, how do we do this? Ito-join natin si client papunta kay server. Gagawin natin dyan, punta tayo kay this PC. Yan, PC. Then, let us change. So, yan. Diba, change settings, change name. Yan. Ang gagawin natin, papasok tayo kay domain. Yan. Ano ba si domain natin? Ano ba yung domain na papasukan natin? Kanina pa, di ba? And here, nevius.server. Diba? So, type lang natin dito is nevius.server. Pasok natin siya. Then, let us enter the credentials of the administrator, which is the end user, tao na. Bago mo maipasok ang isang PC, client PC, sa domain, ah, laging ang gagrant lang doon is the administrator, which is the end user administrator. Enter credentials. So as you can see, nag-prompt na si PC na welcome to the Nevis.server domain. Okay. So, tapos natin ito. Then, if ever na hindi pumasok yung mga policy or mga changes, permission, authorization, let us go to the terminal ng ating server machine. So, exit lang muna natin this part. So, exit. Then, let's type tp update slash 4. Mag-update siya ng policy as administrator. So, kay client dash 1. Punta kay other user. Sign into Neview, which is the domain, di ba? So type natin yun yung credentials ng mga ginawa nating users under our organizational unit, which is the employee second floor employee. Ano bang ginamit natin kanina? How do we can see the users that we have created? Punta tayo kay, uh, ito kay group policy. So, close natin siya, babala natin. Punta tayo kay users incomplete. Tapos, ayan na. Ito yung employee second natin as organizational unit, then under the organizational unit that we created, we have our users, which is Beethoven and John Bach. So let us enter the credentials. Pasok natin credentials ni John Bach. John Bach. Let's take a look kung gumana ba yung folder redirection natin. Kasi kung hindi yung gumana, then we have a problem. Our PC, 50, users, second employee. So here, nandito na yung folder ni John Bach. Diba? Automatically magkikreate siya ng folder ni user. Then, yung mga output, uh, story output ng mga domain users, makakollect here in this uh, network storage. So, let us see kung talagang totoo na we can modify desktop and document folder ni domain user. So, let us edit the desktop. And let us create a folder here. As you can see, nag-reflect yung folder as music. Dito. Okay. John back. So let's enter music. Tapos, let's just create a folder of genre. Genre. Go to the folder. And nag-reflect din yung folder as genre. Right? So, let us prove. Punta naman tayo kay document. Albums. Gawa tayong album. Sa document folder ni John Back. So, punta natin tayo kay John Back. Then, under John Back, punta tayo sa document folder niya. And we can see the folder of the album. So, our folder reader for file resource management is effective. We can collect data from our domain. Those data will go directly, being saved directly on the network storage under the server machine. Right? So let us close this. And we will go now to the next feature, which is the uh, remote desktop services. So we need to remote the server PC here going to the client, and the client going to the server machine. Why do we need to remote? What is the importance of the remote desktop services? So let us see first in the tools kung nandun ba. So wala. So let us go to manage, add roles. Server selection, then server role. Tingnan natin kung nasa server role si RDP. Hmm. So next lang natin siya, features. Uh, wala naman masyado. Then natin sa services. So what do we need is the licensing in the session host. Right, this two one. Yeah. So after that, next, then click this checkbox kasi mag-restart siya. Right. So, oh nga, why do we need to remote, diba? Uh, think of it. Imagine it. You are an administrator. Then you are uh, uh, maintaining or managing several domains or several users on different floors. Diba? Right. Uh, do you need to uh, uh, with the use of the remote, you don't need to go back to the server machine just to access the domain controller, right? Domain controller on the server manager. What you need to do is to get onto a working PC, a working client, then you can remote it, right? With the right credentials, you can launch you can remote the server machine onto a client machine, right? So hindi mo na kailangan pumunta from second floor to fifth floor, from distribution running to the farthermost uh, PC in order just to make adjustments and controls or configure something. So we are putting a lot of time into good use when we are doing remote. So enter the credential. Then as we can see, meron na tayong internet, no? Oh, ayan, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, we will have our own internet if we successfully configured our DNS, our DHCP. So don't worry if you modify the IP addresses of your physical machines, then you lost an internet connection. With the right configuration, you will or the machine will successfully gain uh, the connection again. So close that in. So let us go to tools. So wait, wait. So here we are on the remote desktop. So when we have this on our tools, we don't need to open this that much. What we're going to do is to go to the control panel and modify the remote access. How can we do it? Go to the control panel, system security, then let us check this uh, small mm, modification. Allow remote access. So allow the remote, then uncheck the box. Apply. Okay. Same as here on the client PC. What we're going to do is go to the control panel, system security. So when you want to allow remote access on a client PC under a domain, you will be prompted to enter administrator credentials. Let's uncheck this, check this one, and check box. Then apply.